Hi there. Welcome to the AVA channel, where AI meets finance. If you've ever wondered how people use algorithms to trade currencies, this video is for you. So, what is algorithmic forex trading? In simple terms, it's when a computer program automatically buys or sells currencies in the foreign exchange market based on predefined rules. These rules are often built using strategies from technical analysis, statistics, or even machine learning. Let's take a basic example. Imagine a bot programmed to buy euro dollar when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term one. Once that condition is met, the bot executes the trade instantly and without emotion. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't panic, it just follows the rules. Many traders use these systems to backtest strategies, minimize risk, and react faster than any human could. Cool, right? If you want to learn more about trading bots, AI tools, and how to build your own algorithmic strategies, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey into smart trading. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.